Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Beth's math class. We have made it to number 13. Can you believe that? We are getting closer and closer to number 20. Number 13 is what we're on. Can you remember what number we did last week? If you said number 12, you are correct. Okay, and now we're on number 13. All right? 1 and 3 got married, and now they are 13. Is this 1 and 3? No, it's 13. Can everyone say th-th-er-t-een? 13. Number 13, lucky 13. Okay, now Miss Beth has a cute little koala that I made, and I want to show you. Can you see a number in the koala drawing that I made? Okay, if you can see a 1 and a 3, then you are seeing what I see. I want to make a cute little koala. Koala starts with Khalifa. And we're going to make it out of our 13. Okay, Miss Beth already made this one. So we're going to start new. And I'm going to make a little koala. And I want to show you how, okay? So I'm going to make my 13. Okay? This is what 13 looks like. It's just a 1. And I know you all know how to make a 1. It's just a straight line, right? And then around the tree, that's how we make a number 3. So we have number 13. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do to make a cute little koala is you're going to need to make the head. We're going to make a circle here. That's all you do is make a circle. And then you're going to make a little arm. And then you're going to make a little leg, okay? And then you're going to draw a line down through the leg, okay? It's taking shape. The koala looks like it's clinging to the tree. Oh, we need to make the koala face. What shape are the eyes? What shape are the eyes? What shape is the nose? If you said a rectangle, you are correct. And Miss Beth, we can even make little ears if you want to make little ears for the koala, okay? So that is how you make a koala out of 13. But we're not finished yet. Miss Beth would like to color a little bit, okay? I think I will color my branch brown. Brown. And what color should Miss Beth make her koala? I think we can do, would you like to do purple or gray? I know Yara likes yellow. I think maybe light purple. That might be kind of cute, okay? We'll do a light purple. Oh, there we go. We're making our koala a little bit purple. I will color his ears. And that is how you make number 13, a koala out of number 13. Can everybody see my number 13? Here is the 1, and here was the 3. Number 13. Super work, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Send Miss Beth a cute koala, okay?